Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are changing the oil in the Lancer. 3 tips that I'm gonna give when changing your oil. First, make sure you warm up the engine. That's why the engine is on right now. The reason for that is warm oil is easier to flush out than cold ones. So that's the reason. Second is jack up your car, or it aids draining the oil. What I mean is that take a look at your drain plug on where its location is. And for the Lancer, the location is at the back side of the drain pan. So just jacking up the front up to the limit that you have is ideal. So that will drain your oil more efficient. And third, make sure to lube the O-ring of your oil filter. And that's it. Again, safety, jacket, and then jack stands. And that's it. Jensen is going to be doing this job because the Lancer is actually hers. So Jensen, go do your job. Peace.
She's doing an oil change without this. Where are you gonna put the oil? In your mouth?
I haven't started.
Tip number 4. Prepare your tools first before working on your car. Take it off.
Where is the?
And I'm guessing
plug?
you don't have a wrench.
I'm looking for the plug.
No, for the oil filter. Plug is right there. Behind.
Oh,
Be careful of this one, because this is the exhaust. Make sure not to touch.
meron tayo kasi ano.
You have to check. Maybe we have. Maybe we don't. So,
Oh, baby. That was one turn.
sige na. Ikot mo ka. Tight na. Saka 1/4. Isa pa. One more. Sige. Yung rims mo, bawat jump na delinisan pa agad to.
Okay.
Kasi yung brake
dust.
dust.
Okay. Ba't nang basahan? Pinasa ko mo.
no, yung pagluwag mo kanina.
Yeah.
Go straight na. So, our basic and very short change oil, supposed to be a very short change oil, is not a short change oil anymore. Because if you can see the tread, there's no tread. Anyway, so we need to remove the pan, and I wish I had a. Oh, I can brace this. So we've got. Yeah, let's do that. We will brace a nut on this and then put it back. And hopefully that will be the end.
So yesterday was a tough one. The change all went to a 5-hour job. So the drain plug was loose thread, and I can't blame my daughter for it, because when she turned the bolt out, she found some Teflon. I don't use Teflon. I think sometimes when I'm lazy, I just bring the car to the petrol station to have it changed, and I'm guessing somebody else might done a lousy job, and that's one of the reasons why I like to fix my own car, because of those situations. So we had to take out the oil pan. Well, at first I was thinking of re-threading it with a bigger bolt, but then I tried to check the thickness of the remaining material, and I don't think it was possible. So we had to take it out and then grind off the remaining part, and then I braced a bolt inside. And so far, she's been driving it yesterday and today, and it doesn't have any leaks. And the same thing with the oil pan. So that's it. So tip number 5: make sure to fix your own car. And for those guys who breaks their tread, I'm gonna give you a tip number 6. If you don't have the touch and working down your bolts, might as well use a torque wrench. I use it all the time. I have a touch in my torque, and I still use it. It's it's idiot proof. So that's it. Hope you like this long and troubling change oil. And Peace.